Well, the first thing I tell my clients about getting pulled over is that officers need a reasonable suspicion in order to stop someone. That means that they've got to see some kind of articulable facts that indicate that there is an infraction, a violation, a crime, or something happening. Now, if you do get pulled over and you're driving, try to pull over in a safe manner. If you're out on a highway, if you're out on I-35, find a safe way to get off and find the safest road or parking lot or area where you can pull over in a relatively quick manner, away from traffic and away from danger, so that you and the officer are safe. I think they would appreciate that. I think it looks good on the video cameras and the videos that they're rolling from the patrol cars or the body cams. Of course, don't drive multiple miles without stopping, because then they'll take it and you're not obeying their signals, you're not obeying their emergency lights. But once you do get stopped, it is advisable to keep your hands visible at all times, probably in the wheel, and wait for the commands. It is also reasonable always to ask the cops why you are being stopped, what is the reason for the stop. Have your license and insurance ready so you're not fumbling around. Once the officers have those documents, they'll usually run the license plate and the driver's license to see if there's anything outstanding, if there's any warrants, if there's any issues. If there isn't, then you're just dealing with the infraction for the stop. And then once that happens, the officer either gives you the ticket or gives you the warning. You should, in theory, be free to go. If at that point you are not free to go, that means you're under investigation for something else. And they usually need to develop probable cause in order to get arrested. At that point, it is always advisable to not speak too much, answer the questions, and that's it. You always have the right not to incriminate yourself, and you also always have the right to ask for an attorney. When you're being investigated, interrogated for a crime, you should always request to have an attorney present.